My Windows laptop needed to be recovered, and I had a bit of a problem. I didn't have another Windows computer that I could use to create a Windows installer. The only computer I had available was my iPad Air M4. So I thought, okay, can I actually use the iPad to make a Windows installer? I've installed Windows before, so I have some knowledge of the process, but I haven't done it in a long time. And you know how it is when you haven't done something for years, you remember general idea, but you forget some of the details. That's basically what happened to me. I know what I wanted to do, I just needed to figure out the steps again. And since I had my iPad and access to AI, I decided to give it a try. The first thing I did was ask GPT. I told it what I was trying to do: recover my Windows laptop and create Windows installer using my iPad. I also told it that I had experience installing Windows, but I couldn't remember the whole process. And from there, I just asked questions as I went along. I wasn't asking AI to do everything for me. I was basically using it to refresh my memory and help me figure out the things I wasn't sure about. At this point, I get my old USB drive and then try to reformat this one. And of course, I asked GPT which format I'm going to use. GPT told me that I have to use the exFAT since it is compatible with both devices or systems like iOS and Windows. So I followed that one. I told GPT that my Windows is Windows 10, and so GPT suggested me a file or specific ISO file that I have to download in my laptop. And since I am in Thailand, the website that it gives me is in Thai language. So I needed another tool to translate what is on the screen. And luckily, I have built in, or the Google Translate is automatically selected or activated in my browser if I choose or I select text here. And since this one is in Thai, I have to choose also the English language for this file, for this installer. So I choose here the Angklit or English version of this installer. And after that one, I just waited for a few minutes, and then I have to save this one in my local file, in my local drive in my iPad, and then wait for it to be downloaded fully. And then while waiting for the download to be 100%, I search for the USB Xyle application that is only found in Apple Store, which is the only one that you can find in Apple Store to specifically burn ISO file. So I just install this one and then open it, and then I waited for the file to be downloaded up to, I think this one is 10 gigabyte. Oh no, not sure. About 6 gigabyte, the whole or the full 6 gigabyte. The file size is 6 gigabyte. And so after that one, I open the app and then try to burn the ISO or ISO file into my USB drive. And here you can see here that I have ISO extractor, because before you can burn it or save it into the drive, you need an ISO extractor. So I have to choose the destination, which is my USB. It says here that ESD dash USB, that is my destination of the file where I have to save the ISO Windows installer. Now it is saved into my drive, and I ask again GPT how to use the recovery USB on my laptop, and it says that I have to plug the USB into my laptop and then try to boot from the USB drive. So I screenshot using my iPad's camera. I screenshot my laptop, and it told me that I needed to choose the option to boot to the USB. And yeah, here I had a bit of a problem here because I think the exFAT format is not compatible with the Windows, so I needed to research one more time and ask GPT why it happens. And so, yeah, I tried it for the last time and it works. It opens the installer and it is able to read my USB disk drive at this time, and the process just continue as that. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped you a lot, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up, and see you in my next one. Have a nice day. Goodbye.